Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to turn off the notification in Discord on PC. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you would open Discord and then you would go to the setting icon at the bottom. You would click on user settings and then you will scroll down to notification in the app settings and then you can toggle this off to turn off all the notification or you can um, or you can turn off the notification for just the message or maybe just the sound of the notification. And when you just when you want to turn on the notification again, you just have to click on this. So if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.